Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to convert your Lazada coins to your Lazada wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to convert your Lazada coin to your Lazada wallet, all you need to do is simply open your Lazada app, and once you open it, you need to tap on the account section on the bottom right hand side of the corner. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So to go to your Lazada wallet section, all you need to do is simply scroll down below. Once you scroll down below, you can find an option called My Lazada Wallet. So simply tap on My Lazada Wallet, and once you do this, you can find this kind of interface. So now simply tap on the Activate button, and once you tap on the Activate button, you need to now type in your mobile phone number and you will get an SMS code on your number. Once you type in the number as well, you need to tap on Activate Wallet, and now after the wallet is activated, your Lazada coins will automatically be converted to Lazada wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.